How to integrate custom forms in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to create custom forms in Shopify. You just need to follow the steps that I will be showing. Without further ado, let's get started. First is you need to open your Shopify store, and then we're going to click online store and then click pages, and in contact, this is by default. Click this one and let's view our page. And then as you can see on our contact page, it is kind of boring, and if you want to add some fields here, you can actually do that. So in order for us to create a custom forms, we need to have a HTML file. In my case, I don't know how to make HTML files, so we will be asking ChatGPT for us to do it. And then this won't take a while. It will just generate coding for our custom forms. And then if it is already done, you can actually copy this one, and then let's go back to our store, and then under contact, here is show HTML, then paste it in here, then hit save, and then we want to look at our shop and how it's gonna be. And then this is what ChatGPT made for us, so you can actually delete this one in our store. So if you want to make it differently, you can actually ask again ChatGPT, and let's say make it beautiful. Then we're just going to make it. And that's it. That is how simply integrating custom forms in Shopify. And let's see if it is working. And it actually does. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again on the next one. Thank you for watching.